Hey, it's Ryan Schramm. Thanks for joining me on another community tour. Today I'm in Talega, which is a subset area community of San Clemente, and we're going to be looking at a tract today. It's a great one. It's called Carmel. These are condos. Call it the Carmel Condos, but an area, a tract of Talega that I feel appeals to so many different people that are looking. Reason being is it's an attractive price point. The homes in here have been selling for between $1 million and $1,450, call it $1,500. They're generously sized with plans ranging from 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. These condos, which are attached in the center, they live more like single family with one wall attached. They're not stacked flat, as you can see. They're not all smushed together. It's really a very spacious condo option with the attached wall running between the two garages. That's why I like this community, is because they're really a good bang for the buck. These particular homes here on the left, I say homes as it is a home. Yes, they are designated condo on the zoning, so let's just get that straight from the beginning. But these condo homes here look out over the golf course with a really nice view. You can see that the landscaping and the street are all manicured very nicely. There's a common area pool for the residents of this community here, right where we came in. So it's really got a lot going for it. As you may or may not have seen in some of the other videos on my channel, there are Mello-Roos in Talega. Mello-Roos is an extra special assessment paid as a property tax. So in San Clemente, our property tax rate is pretty low. It's 1.01% of the sales price. However, if you buy something in Talega, you're gonna have that Mello-Roos attached to it. And the best way to calculate Mello-Roos is based on the square footage. So in this particular tract, because Mello-Roos does vary from tract to tract, budget about $1 to $1.05 per square foot. So when I pull up the current homes that are in escrow in here, or the ones that have sold, and I see a house selling for around, a home's selling with a square footage of around 2,000 square feet, the Mello-Roos for that property is around $2,000 per year. So that's what the Mello-Roos range is in Carmel here. And I would say that this community has a little bit of a slower pace. It's quiet, which appeals to a lot of people. We just came from another community in San Clemente that's a 55 plus neighborhood where you have to be 55 years or older to buy. I could see somebody who, you know, wanted 55 plus but was kind of flexible on this, liking Carmel. I could see somebody like myself who wanted more privacy and a quieter community and a better bang for my buck. I would love this community. So you've got a wide range of people that this appeals to. And I think it's something where if you're got a budget between $1 million and $1.5 million, you need more square footage, 3 bedrooms, you want a view, you want something quiet, Carmel Condos is a great community to look at. And this drive that we're doing here, I find it so valuable for people to just come and take a look at this community by driving around. If you're interested in putting together some neighborhoods that meet or check the lifestyle boxes that you have for this next home purchase, reach out to me, let me know that, because what we could do is schedule a time to jump in my car together or caravan together and go look at these neighborhoods. Because you might come through and be like, no, this doesn't look like anything like the video, I'm not interested. But well, I'll tell you what, we probably will find something that you are interested in. Or maybe we do this and you're like, yes, it's exactly like I pictured. Let's find the next property in here, because right now on the market, nothing. There's only one house in here that's in escrow. So there's no active listings. So it's important to know that you like this community before you even start shopping for a property, because then you could be ready for that next listing that comes on the market. So again, reach out to me if you've had any thoughts of buying in San Clemente. Specifically, if you want to do a neighborhood tour, you'll find it really valuable. Carmel Condos. We'll finish up here at the pool, overlooking the golf course. This community has it all. I'll see you on the next one.